Hello everyone, this is Caroline from TOKNAV, and this is our pre-marking robot TR10. Today, I'll show you how to use our robot to draw a curved line. Okay, first we should use our RTK to collect 3 points. We click here. Okay, it shows that the RTK is not connected, so we should connect the RTK first. Choose the RTK that we want to collect. Okay, it's the first one we choose. Okay, now the RTK state shows it is fixed solution. We're back to this state. And then we should collect our first point. Okay, the first point is collected. Now we collect our second point. Okay, let's collect the third point. Okay, now we have collected 3 points. Let's create a line. We can give the line a name. Let's just name it E. Okay, back to this. Save it. Okay, now we should create the task. Choose the line that we have just created. And from here, the path direction, offset, and the side line we can choose based on your needs. Confirm it. Okay, let's confirm it. Okay, the task is shown in this screen. Okay, let's execute this task. Okay, then our robot will draw the line automatically.